SBI Innovative Opportunities Fund NFO. Will investing in this NFO give you the returns you dream of to create a financially secure future and help you in your wealth building process in the long run? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to take the right financial and investment decisions to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So before analyzing whether this NFO will be suitable to your investment portfolio and give you the returns you dream of, let us first understand what is SBI Innovative Opportunities Fund NFO by understanding the basic details of this NFO first. So as an NFO, it opens on 29 July 2024 and is open until 12th August 2024. And some of its key features are: it belongs to the category of thematic equity scheme, and it is an open-ended fund type, and it has Nifty 500 TRI as its benchmark. And the minimum amount you need to start investing in this fund is just 5,000 rupees. And the fund manager for this NFO is Mr. Prasad Padala. And the exit load for the SBI Innovative Opportunities Fund NFO is just 1% if you redeem it within 1 year. Now let's take a look at the investment philosophy and the investment objective of the SBI Innovative Opportunities Fund. So its investment philosophy is it aims to invest in opportunities across the innovative strategies and themes present in various sectors. It aims to provide investors with opportunities for long-term capital appreciation by investing in equity and equity-related instruments of companies that seeks to benefit from the adoption of innovative strategies and the theme. So this is the investment objective of the NFO. Suitability factor for this NFO is the scheme might be suitable for an aggressive investor who is bullish on the adoption of innovative strategies and theme. So anyone who is bullish on the innovative theme and innovative strategies, that kind of aggressive investor might find this NFO suitable to invest. So now, as we have understood briefly about how this NFO works and what are the basic details about this NFO, let's move on to analyzing whether SBI Innovative Opportunities Fund will be suitable to our investment portfolio or not. So how we are going to do that? We are going to do that by analyzing the pros and cons of investing in this NFO. So first, let's take a look at the pros. So the pros are: this fund is diversified among the top performing companies who have adopted innovative strategies and theme in their business operations. So if you are an investor seeking for allocation to the innovation theme, this might be suitable for you to invest. And also, if the innovation theme performs and delivers well, it will definitely boost overall returns in your investment portfolio. As this is an NFO, it applies the high risk and high return concept. So the more risk you take by investing in this NFO, the more returns you potentially gain. So this might be suitable for an aggressive investor who are bullish on the innovation theme. So these are some of the pros of investing in this NFO. So now let's take a look at the cons of investing in the SBI Innovative Opportunities Fund NFO. So it's equally important to understand the cons as well as the pros, because the cons potentially reveals you the potential risk you might be undertaking by investing in this NFO. So as I have already said, this NFO applies the high risk and high return concept. So usually in a high risk and high return concept, it is normally suggested to invest for a long period of time, for at least 7 to 10 years, because in that period of time, market cycle would also get completed and would be a little bit more stable to potentially expect the gain. But when the high risk is involved, short term investing is highly riskier, because in a short term period in a NFO like this, market cycle would also get completely unpredictable in a short term time period. So it's better if you invest in a long term in an NFO like this rather than investing in a short term period. So if you're an investor who's looking to achieve your short term financial goals by investing in this NFO, then it might not be suitable for you and even more riskier to add it to your investment portfolio. So it's better to avoid. And also, this fund is not suitable for your co-investment portfolio, because as this is an NFO, we still do not have the proper track record to analyze how it's performed in the low, how it has performed in the high, to take a calculated risk. So before not analyzing any kind of the risk we potentially undertaking in this NFO, it's best if we do not add it to our portfolio, because just because this theme is performing right now well in the market doesn't mean that great themes will translate into stock market returns for us. So if you add it to your portfolio without analyzing the proper proper risk, it might even overexpose your portfolio to the negative triggers if it did not perform well. Also, it is not flexible and dynamic as compared to a diversified fund, and it can even add more volatility to your investment portfolio. So as it involves and invests predominantly in the innovative opportunities the companies present, it has a high concentration risk in it. So if the innovation theme underperforms in the market, there is a high chance that it will definitely impact the overall returns of your investment portfolio also. So to invest in a thematic fund like this, timing and circle of competence should be on your side. So you need to carefully consider all these factors before choosing to invest in an NFO like this. So what is the final takeaway? Should we invest in the SBI Innovative Opportunities Fund? Will it give us the returns we dream of to create a financially secure future and help us in a wealth creation journey in the long term? From our analysis, what we can see is thematic NFO like this is not a beginner friendly fund to start investing in. So this might not be suitable if you're just starting your investment journey or you're just a first time investor. So it's better if you avoid this fund as a first time investor, and even for a conservative investor, because this NFO has lots of risk because it's highly risky. So if you're a conservative investor whose risk tolerance is very low and you're not willing to take much risk compared to an aggressive investor, then also you can avoid investing in this NFO, because there are other existing thematic innovative funds with track record. If you still want to invest in a thematic fund like this where it involves innovation theme, you can still invest in an existing innovative thematic fund with a proper track record of at least 7 to 10 years, because when it has a track record of 7 to 10 years, you can at least analyze properly how it has performed in the highs and lows and take a calculated risk based on that. But here we do not have that kind of track record or the proper research to make the proper analysis. So it's better if we avoid investing in this NFO and invest in an existing thematic innovation NFO like this. So it also might not be suitable for investor who's looking to add funds to their core investment portfolio. As I have already previously mentioned, this fund is just an NFO. We're still yet to see how it is going to perform. So without any proper analysis, if we add this fund to a core portfolio and it underperforms and performs really badly, it will definitely affect the overall returns in an investment portfolio and even make it a little bit harder for us to achieve our financial goals through our core investment portfolio. So it's better if we avoid investing in this fund because it might not be suitable to add to your core investment portfolio. Also, as I have already said, this is not a beginner friendly fund to invest. You need to have an eye for market timing. You need to know when to enter and exit from this NFO. Like, this is a thematic fund, so right now the innovation theme might be performing well, but it might also tank after some time. So you need to know when to enter and exit to potentially gain the most out of it. So you need to know the market timing. You need to have sufficient knowledge. So if you do not know when to enter and exit from an innovation thematic NFO like this, better avoid this fund because it might not be suitable to add to your investment portfolio. But if you're still having doubts whether investing in this will be right for you or not, it basically boils down to what kind of investor you are. And if you're having struggle to understand whether this will be suitable for you or not, it's better if you look for a professional guidance from a certified financial planner. Because if you consult with a financial planner for the suitability of the funds before investing in it, they will be able to guide you about whether this will be suitable for you or not. And also they will be able to look at how what is the investment objective of yours and what is the investment objective of the fund you're looking to invest, and will it align with your goals and values, and also what is your risk profile. So what kind of risk and how much risk you can tolerate, and what is the risk profile of the fund you want to invest in, and see if it both align. And they will also check what is the overlap ratio between your investment portfolio and the fund you want to invest in, and see whether it's more or less. Because if it's more, they will generally suggest you not to invest in it because it will definitely clash with your investment portfolio. And also how much allocation you need to give to this fund achieve your financial goals in a more better way. So these are all kinds of factors, and they will even look at even more different kind of angles just to craft you with better investment strategies and personalize a financial plan that will definitely help you achieve your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way making your investment journey hassle free for you. It's better if you consult with a professional like a professional financial planner for a more hassle free and smooth investment journey for you, and see what kind of investment options click for your investment portfolio and to achieve your financial goals. So it's better if you consider investing in this route also.
If you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.